You have probably been told that the year-over-year tech updates are dead, that the current Garmin Fenix 8 or the Apple Watch Ultra are the peak of what human engineering can pull off, and that you might as well just buy whatever model is on discount today. But if you have your credit card out, or if you are browsing online forums trying to decide on your next tactical outdoor watch, I need you to completely freeze. Lock your wallet in a drawer and close every single shopping tab right now, because the massive, highly classified internal leaks currently flooding out of Garmin's supply chain aren't just minor rumors anymore. We have intercepted verified hardware schematics, patent filings, and assembly line production orders from Asia that prove Garmin is preparing to drop an absolute nuclear bomb on the premium watch market. The Garmin Fenix 9 Pro is not a subtle design tweak or a boring spec bump. It is a complete, uncompromising engineering marvel that is going to fundamentally change the way athletes, explorers, and everyday users track their survival metrics. Apple, Samsung, and Suunto are completely unprepared for what is coming in the late months of 2026. If you buy any premium sports watch today, you are walking straight into a hardware trap. Listen to every single word of this breakdown, because the real, unvarnished data behind the Garmin Fenix 9 Pro will show you exactly why this device is about to rewrite the rules of survival tech forever. To understand why the Fenix 9 Pro is causing massive panic among its competitors, we have to look directly at the single biggest compromise outdoor enthusiasts have been forced to accept for the last 5 years. It is the agonizing choice between a beautiful display and legendary battery life. For years, if you wanted the bright, vibrant, gorgeous visuals of an AMOLED screen, you had to accept that your watch battery would drain in a matter of days, forcing you to constantly hunt for a wall charger. On the flip side, if you wanted the endless, weeks-long battery life for intense expeditions, you were forced to settle for the dull, low-contrast memory and pixel screens that look completely washed out indoors. Garmin has been secretly working to shatter this engineering barrier, and the absolute crown jewel leak of the Fenix 9 Pro confirms that they have finally achieved the holy grail of display technology. The Fenix 9 Pro is officially debuting a revolutionary, hybrid solar over AMOLED display. This is a technology that engineers previously claimed was structurally impossible. Garmin has figured out a way to layer a microscopic, highly transparent solar harvesting matrix directly over a high-resolution, pixel-independent AMOLED panel. When you are sitting inside, you get a blindingly sharp, beautiful display bursting with rich color. But the moment you step outside into the harsh, blazing sunlight, the integrated solar layer instantly activates, converting ambient light into pure electrical current to constantly backfeed the internal power cells. This completely eliminates the display trade-off that has plagued the wearable industry since day one. But Garmin didn't stop at just layering the solar grid. The ambient brightness limits of the new AMOLED layer are hitting numbers that sound entirely sci-fi. Supply chain logs show this display tracking up to a peak output of 4,500 nits. To put that into perspective, that is bright enough to remain perfectly legible if you are staring at it in the middle of a blinding white sand desert or a high-altitude snowfield. Yet, for the military professionals, tactical users, and night hikers,